Hi there! This is a quiz for you to review how to use the simple present in English. As you listen to the questions, pause them to give your answers. You can find the answer key in the description of this video. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. What does she do to stay healthy? 2. What does he do every day in the morning? 3. What's the missing verb in the sentence? She usually blank books to improve her English. 4. Ask a question for the answer. She gets home from school around 2 p.m. 5. Complete the following question with the right auxiliary verb. Blank. Children learn a foreign language faster than adults. 6. Complete the following question with the right auxiliary verb. Why? Blank. Some people lie about their age. 7. Choose the right question. A. How often does it rain in your country? B. How often it rains in your country? 8. Ask a question for the following answer using how often. She goes out with her friends every weekend. 9. Ask a question for the answer. No, he doesn't. My father doesn't know how to cook. 10. What does she usually do when she gets home from work? 11. What does he usually do when he has some free time? 12. Choose the right auxiliary to complete the question. What time, blank, your classes finish? 13. Choose the right auxiliary to complete the question. Blank, your parents enjoy celebrating their marriage? 14. What do they do on weekends? 15. What's the missing verb in the sentence? He doesn't, blank, a uniform to school. 16. What's the missing auxiliary verb in the sentence? She, blank, go to work by bus. 17. What's the missing auxiliary verb in the question? Blank, women get drunk more easily than men. 18. What does he do in the mornings? 19. Put the following words in the right order to make a question. 20. Put the following words in the right order to make a question. This quiz is over.